blogs for you. This is how we do it. Click create blog. You can enter the website that you want to create blogs from. You can change any feature, the author, do you want a table of content, add external links, tags and meta tags, auto publish depending on the plan that you're on, add videos or not, capture leads, newsletter, social media sharing, and even call to action. Click create blog, and our AI agent will go and analyze your content from your website or your podcast or videos or audio or any content that you're sharing. AI agent will give you a list of different topics, or you can enter your own topic if you'd like to. Let's just select one here. AI agent will research keywords for you, or you can enter your own keyword here. Let's select one. And the AI agent will go off and write your blogs for you, utilizing Google Eats Standard. Once it's finished, so what the AI agent is doing, not only does it create the blog, it's actually including SEO keywords, it's personalizing the blog, it's including the topic. So each of the blogs that we create for you are personalized based on your specific topic and include all the SEO keywords. And then we go ahead and create images for you as well. And so this is an example of the blog that we just created. Took only a couple minutes. And that's it.